Yellow, let's make a black forest trifle again. So first things first, you're gonna need some chocolate sponge and a trifle bark. Now guys, I get this chocolate sponge cake from Aldi. Or you can use whatever chocolate sponge cake you like. You can even use brownies if you wish. But yeah, I just cut up my cake into blockies. And then it's time to start layering the first layer. Pack the bottom layer of your trifle bark full, guys. It must look something like so. Next up is some chocolate custard. I always struggle to find this in the supermarket, so I normally go to Iceland or Food Warehouse. So if you are looking, that is the places to find it. Like me, it can be a bit lumpy when it comes out the tin, so I always give it a little bit of a whisk, just so it can pour better. Once you're done whisking your chocolate custard, pour a lacquer layer over your sponge cake. And then just even it out so it's no gaatjies. Next up, you're gonna need some dark chocolate chips. A lacquer layer of that as well on top of your chocolate custard. For my next layer, I use this black cherry conserve. Julle hier is mense wat kom fancy raak en vir cherries kom roast en stoom en whatever op die stoof. I don't have time for that. The black cherry conserve works just as well. Just put a layer of that on top of your chocolate chips. Next up, you're gonna whip some cream. I added a little bit of icing sugar into the cream for some sweetness. And then you're just gonna do a lacquer layer of cream on top of your black cherry conserve. Don't be scum with the room, ne? It's December. Calories don't count. Once you've done your cream, repeat the layers. It's some more chocolate sponge. This time I'm using a little bit less than I did at the bottom and sprinkling in a few bits in between the cracks. Then it's another layer of your chocolate custard, some more chocolate chips, a little bit of black cherry conserve. I didn't use a lot on the top layer. Then it's time for your final layer, which is some more cream. I'm going to go for presentation here, seeing that the kante of my trifle are murtu. We're going to my aerial view this bad boy today. Then it's cherries with a stokkie. Pop on a few of them. And then I just took some more cherry conserve and sprinkled it on the top. Then you're going to murder out of a flake or a twirl. And you're just going to sprinkle that all over your cherries and your cream. Pop it in the fridge to set overnight and enjoy, guys.